Hey, hey, Facebook land. Welcome back from the weekend. I hope you had a fantastic weekend. I'm just hopping on here because I was thinking over the weekend about overwhelming tasks. And many of my clients and many of my family members, many of my friends have these big work projects. And it doesn't necessarily need to be about work, it could be in your personal life too. I'm just going to use my mom as an example. Sorry, mom. But she's selling her house. And selling your house is a big task. And so it can seem like it's so overwhelming and so much work that when you look at it, you just go, oh my God, I'm not even going to touch it. I ain't doing it. And you walk away and go sit on the patio and drink wine instead, right? So one thing that you can do is really start breaking it down into little bite-sized chunks. And that helps you to make it less overwhelming. So when you're looking at a big giant task such as selling your house, so you need to purge and you need to do a dump run and you need to clean and you need to make sure the yard looks nice and you need to get rid of a bunch of personal items and all that stuff, right? So rather than looking at the whole big picture, what I shared with my mom was that you could actually just start in one room with one closet. So when it came time for her to actually start staging her house, I was like, okay, well, what are people going to look at first? And they're going to look in all the rooms, surface level. They're going to be looking in closets and storage space. So I said to mom, I'm like, okay, start at the top of the house. You've got a loft with a walk-in closet, an ensuite bathroom, and your bedroom space. That's it. So just start there. Start with the walk-in closet first. So she started purging out clothes that she hasn't worn in a long time and just really cleaned that closet out and pulled stuff out. So now one room is done. Now she can start moving on to the next piece. So I said, okay, well, the bathroom is smaller than the bedroom area, so start with the bathroom and get that done. So she started pulling all that stuff out, throwing out stuff that she hasn't used in forever and is expired, stuff like that, and got all that bathroom clean and pristine and ready to show. Then she had the bedroom space. Hi, Cindy. Hi, Cindy. It's Cindy. Glad that you got home. That's good. So yeah, bite-sized chunks rather than looking at the whole house and going, "Oh my God, there's so much stuff in this house. I need to clean it all up." It's rather, okay, start on the walk-in closet, then do the ensuite bathroom, then do the bedroom, then vacuum down the stairs, then do the living room. You break it down and make it easier, and then it's not so overwhelming. So you can spend one day doing a little bit at a time. Bite-sized chunks is the way that you get any big, overwhelming task done. Hope that's helpful. Leave me a comment, share, send some love. You know I love you. Have a great day, everybody, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye bye.